Hello, loves, and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara, and here I do unboxings and reviews on skincare and makeup and beauty stuff and trying to branch out. Y'all know I'm trying to find some other things that are interesting. And, if you can think of anything that you would like to see me open or review or whatever, like reach out, let me know. Thank you guys for all of the subs, the comments. I appreciate it more than you know. We are at 147, so we're just a few away from giveaway time. So, yay. All right. Today I do have the mystery gift box. I decided I wanted to give them another chance. Like I knew that there was just something off about that last one. Something got lost somewhere along the way. And they did, send me a few things to make up for that box, which again, I got what was considered the beauty box. And what I have today is called the everything box. And I've seen so many people open these and they're so cool. So, yeah, all right. Whenever I first ordered, this was exactly the kind of box that I was expecting to get. So whenever I seen my old man sent the picture of this little box, I was like, what is that? That is not what I ordered. So, you know, that's done and over. So I got a certain percentage off of this box. I think free shipping. So let's go ahead and unbox this baby. So this is literally everything. All right. I'm going to save that for last. Okay. So we'll start out with Maxell. And these are Jellies wireless earbuds. So I gave the last ones to my daughter. These are mine. Those are mine. I need them for work. I need them. Okay, so next is AI Micro, I think is what that is. Compact audio interface. I have no idea what this is, but I'm thinking and hoping that it will help me with my channel. I think somebody said, yeah, my man said that it had something to do with microphone, and I do need to get a microphone. So maybe this box is trying to help me, get to where I need to be. Okay, so next, which I'm, this is, when I first opened it, I was like, this was the first thing I seen. And I was like, what? But I love it because I have a granddaughter and she's not quite, I don't know, it might fit her now. But she's in North Carolina. I never really get to see her. So this is, you can tell this is very well made. Um, so yeah, I was really tickled with this just because now, I get all these boxes and I really don't have much that I can send her out of my boxes, but now I finally have something. So that's gonna lead us to this. And I'm sorry, I couldn't help it. Whenever this box came yesterday, I had to open it. And I mean, it was after work. When I hate doing videos after work because I look horrible. Okay, so next is Mermaid Shimmer Slime Kit. So I'm not going to open it because I want my granddaughter to open it. My other daughter, she might get a hold of it because she loves stuff like that. She's a little artist. So, okay. Now, next we have Flawless Bikini Hair Removal thing. So that is Finishing Touch. Yeah. When I first opened it, I thought it was a solo wave and I almost fell out into the floor, but it's okay. I'm good with that. I need it. All right. So next we have AT&T USB-C to USB-C braided cable. So I actually have AT&T. I don't know. I'm sure I will find a use for this. Okay. So next we have, my old man knew exactly who that was. I have no idea who it is. Jack Nicholas. But he's a golfer, and this is a men's 4-piece travel size kit. So it has shampoo, conditioner, I think hand cream, yeah, and something else. So that's really cool. Nice little bag. All right. So, okay. Yeah. All right. So then there's this, which as soon as I seen it, I was truly, truly excited because it's a ring light for live streaming, multi-device live support. I really don't know. I didn't open it. I was going to wait. So I don't know. Oh, I don't know exactly how it works. I just know like it's something that I don't have, but I am excited to try it out. Like really, really excited to try it out. See on the thing, like I guess it has some kind of little. I don't know. It says it's for live streaming, so I don't know if it's something like you can carry around with you. I don't know, but we're going to find out. Okay, so last but not least. No, hang on. There's another one. Okay, so a palette. Dude, this thing has everything. Like, I see why it's called the everything box, and I see why so many people love it, and I'm so glad that I decided to order again. I swear I think the mix-up last time, this is just my opinion, is because I used Afterpay to pay for it, and probably whenever it came up into their system, maybe, I don't know, because I don't know how this stuff works. Like, it just showed, like, the $30 payment, because the payments are broken down into like 4 payments of what I don't know, it was like $120, and I don't know, I that's the only thing that makes any sense to me, because they didn't even get the original order. And I don't know, something got lost somewhere along the way, and I really do believe that they thought that I ordered because they have smaller boxes, which are like $30. So I swear, this compared to the last box, and you can go back, if you guys haven't seen it, you can go back and watch the old video, the first time that I ever unboxed one of these. I knew that there was something totally wrong. And even though I did order the beauty box, it was still $100. So it should have been full like this one. And so, okay. But they have redeemed themselves in my eyes, because check this out. All the stuff that I have, and I've never seen this. So it's Salute to the Sun. I actually have seen this. I think Ipsy had this for a while, and I just never got it, or I don't know. But now this, when I opened it yesterday, I love that. I love how it opens. That's just so cool. So, I mean, there was a little bit of, I mean, you can, I don't know if you can see. I mean, there's just a little bit of makeup. I mean, that's it. Like, it's going to turn out that way anyway. See right there? That's the only thing that was wrong with this. Everything in this box has been brand new. Okay, so now, yeah, you can see where it kind of, I don't know, something happened in transit. Okay, so now we are at last but not least. And it's still like, I just can't even fathom how cool this stuff was. So this is My Beauty Spot 12 Days of Skin. Body care collection formulated with skin firming collagen and argan oil. Like, it's an advent calendar. And it's getting to be advent calendar season, so how perfect. Like, I'm already, like, literally today, I have P. Louise, which not the $300 one. I just can't. I can't do that. So I have the small P. Louise, and then I have the Charlotte Tilbury in my carts. And I just can't pull the trigger. But I want to. So, all right. Well, we're not going to look at every one of them. Let's just open. Oh, well, it says on here, countdown to your favorite holiday with this luxury advent calendar body care set. Explore 12 decadent treats for 12 days. So there's body wash, body lotion, body butter, body scrub, bath fizzers, bath petals, soap bar, and heart soap. Oh my gosh. I wonder what. Wow. Let's look in day 2. This is going to be awesome. Okay, okay. Argan oil. Like, I mean, I really don't have to, like, open it like it's an advent calendar. Like, I mean, it's from, obviously, it's probably from last year. Boy, I seen collagen, and I was just like, yay! All right. So we're cheating. So there it is. Oh, wow. Okay. I am excited about the body scrub, and this is argan oil collagen. Just, yeah, there it is. Oh, looky here. I wonder. Yep, it smells. It does. Oh, this is just too cool. Like, I'll probably take this and make like a little, oh, darn it. Make like a little gift. Well, not that one, because the plastic just came undone. But, like, maybe take all of that stuff and, like, make a little gift thing out of it. I don't know. But, very, very happy. Argan oil. A skin firming collagen. I mean, I don't know what company this is. It just says My Beauty Spot. So, all right. Well, I'm really, really happy with this box. This is what I wanted in the very beginning, and I do feel like there was a mess up on my part and there was a little mess up on their part, but yay, I'm glad. And I will order again, because that's just fun. Like, that's just, you know, and let me tell you, shipping, I ordered this one day last week. Yeah, like at the end of the week. I was like, I'm going to do it. So I always do Afterpay. So, or Shop Pay. I can't remember which one it was. I do think it was Afterpay though. I was like, I'm going to try this again because I want it to work. And yeah, it did. So I'm really, really happy with it this go round. So, and I will be ordering again, because that was just some really, really cool stuff, was it not? I love the surprise of it. That's the whole reason that we do these things, is the surprise and the fun of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Share. Ring the notification bell. That way you know whenever I make a video. And so that way, you know, we can talk and have these conversations, and y'all know. Okay? So I'm going to shut up now, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye.